The day has just started and I'm already pretty wet. So I hope the rain stops soon. I'll show you what the houseboat looks like inside.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here you have a living room. And a dining room. I think this was the kitchen. It's closed, I don't know. Yeah. Here's the kitchen.
Yes,
Yep.
but you must get a full.
Yeah, I saw it.
Because the little water.
I saw
You
it.
come upstairs.
Okay, we're going up to the terrace.
Yeah, in the terrace you can have a good view.
Nice. Is it wet, do you think?
No, it's good. It's beautiful.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, this can be another picture from here, from everything. From the house, my papa, old house. You go there? As a check? Kaç, oyup kaç. ठीक है? जोरचा ठीक, पांचक ठीक, पकाय, सकाय. Ne bu çapay, ne bu? Çağır.
Can go all the way out.
Yeah.
And this is about 20 minutes later, and 20 minutes ago it was raining.
Yeah, exactly. We had a rain 20 minutes time, and now it's okay. Sun is beautiful.
Sun is up.
That's called boulevard around here.
Here is the boulevard.
Boulevard Road. Yeah. And there are my guests going on the lake. Later I will show them.
And a lot of houseboats around here.
A lot of snow, a lot of winter, big snow this year. Houseboats all gone, all finished.
Yeah.
All finished.
We had almost 50 centimeters of snow this winter.
Yes, that's true.
And it was about 2 months ago, and look now, summer has come.
Shankaracharya temple, TV tower.
We have a temple up in the mountain.
Up the mountain.
Here, a TV tower. Here, we have the eagles circulating,
yes,
looking for food.
Eagles. Pigeons behind.
Pigeons, it's the eagles' food. They're hiding over here.
hiding with you some food.
Yeah. Nice, really nice. Should we go down?
If you like, take some more pictures, please. Take your time. If you see something good shot, good view, something special you like.
Yeah. You wanna be the cameraman for a while? You can just hold it.
Yes, sir. Why not?
Yes.
Yes.
It's recording, so I'm
And I understand, sir. I do understand.
Good.
I do understand.
How's it going, cameraman?
Beautiful, man, but it's over now.
No. It's recording. The screen just turns black.
Yeah, exactly. That's what happened. Yeah.
Nice.
This is beautiful job, man.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, it's good.
Gulya, my friend, I want to put you on my picture. Why not?
Hello.
Hello.
he's doing a little bit of fishing here.
Yeah, two guys are doing fishing. Yeah, that's a real one.
Should we continue?
Huh?
We should continue?
Yeah, we go down.
Yeah.
It's all finished. It's empty.
Yeah.
Need these for lots of money. Good news, all finished here.
Yeah.
2014. I've been telling you yesterday, the water was right on the top on this my house. This my
Yeah.
father. Yeah, exactly on the top.
They had a big flood.
Flood.
A big flood.
2014.
Yeah.
2014, month of September, we had a big flood. Everything underwater.
Yeah. All the houses
all
here.
Houses. First floor of the shopping complex.
Yeah. It was a big disaster.
Yeah, big disaster, 100%.
Thank you. Going down again. I'm gonna show you the bedrooms quick.
Yes.
Or maybe just one bedroom because the floor is open here. Bedroom. And a bathroom. Everything you need on this boat.
Good boy.
This is the speedboat.
Yeah, that's too big.
Oh, this is our boat? No?
So,
Should we go?
yeah, we do.
Okay.
Boss. I just
Okay.
close everything, huh?
We're finishing up here
Yeah,
and
just close
leaving. Going for the next destination,
That next destination.
which is
Very special.
very special. Should I take your bag? Should I take your bag?
Yeah, I have my small bag up there. It's my jacket here, my rain jacket.
Everything good? Good?
Please welcome.
Here in the middle?
Yes, you be into my red jar so you can make good pictures. Please welcome.
With the shoes? No problem?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, comfortable. Right. This will go right here.
Okay. So,
हाँ शुक्रान साहब हेलो वालेकुम सलाम ठीक हो जाए
And that was it.